In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Discord. So I'm going to show you from both sides that how one person can send the friend request and how the other person can accept the friend request so they can be friends and chat with each other. So as you can see here that I have two accounts open right over here. The first account I have open is in my Discord application and the second account I have open is from my browser. So if you want to add someone on Discord, first of all, you must have their exact username. So once you have their exact username, you can send them friend request which they can accept to be your friend. So where is the username located? If you go to your account and if you see at the lower left side of your screen, you will be able to see here your username. And then if you click on that and if you move your cursor in front of your name, you should be able to see here the option click to copy username. So once you get their username, you're going to go to the first account again. And if you want to send them the friend request, first of all, you're going to click on this option, which is direct messages located at the upper left side of your Discord screen. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to this kind of page. And here, if you see at the upper side of your screen, you will be able to see here the option add friend. So just click on that. And in here, just paste the exact username of the person which you want to add. And once you have done that, you can click on send friend request. And as you can see here that your friend request has been sent to the user. So just go to the previous account again. And that person will be able to see here your friend request in the pending section within this direct messages. So they're just going to click on pending. And if they want to accept your friend request, they can just click on accept.